Hello everyone.
The Umkhonto weSizwe Party said that it will not attend tomorrow's inauguration of Cyril Ramaphosa as the president of the country for 2024 to 2029 term in Pretoria. The former president-led Jacob Zuma Party has called the inauguration a symbolic wedding ceremony of a house Negro called Ramaphosa with the slave master Helen Zell. It released a media statement on their platforms, and the statement reads as follows. The MK party members will not attend the inauguration of a DA-sponsored Ramaphosa. The Umkhonto weSizwe Party, the official opposition of South Africa, will not participate in the physical inauguration of Cyril Ramaphosa as the puppet DA-sponsored president tomorrow. We refuse to join in the spitting of the graves of those who died for this freedom by attending the symbolic wedding ceremony of a house Negro called Ramaphosa with the slave master Helen Zell. Previously, the Umkhonto weSizwe Party deliberately boycotted the first sitting of the National Assembly, where members of the unholy racist GA-ANC coalition voted each other, betraying our struggle for total freedom and land repossession. Ramaphosa's presidency is the result of a sellout deal signed by Fikile Mbalula and Helen Zell last week, as well as the rigged and illegal election marked by massive vote rigging and other manipulations by the IEC through Janet Love and other state institutions. We call on all those who cherish true freedom, real democracy, and our current constitution to distance themselves physically or emotionally from being forced to celebrate their continued oppression under the guise of the GA-ANC coalition. How can we celebrate when the ANC has signed another deal with the Freedom Front Plus to recognize and protect the racist and slave called Orania? By doing so, the ANC position of Prima for Zamani Soul. Similarly, the ANC has sold its soul to the DA to secure the position of president for Ramaphosa. Clearly, positions matter more to the ANC than well-being of our people. The Umkhonto weSizwe Party vows to use all legal means at our disposal to expose, fight and destroy the incoming illegitimate regime of Ramaphosa, Steenhuisen and Greenwald. The time is now for all progressive forces to unite against the reintroduction of apartheid and colonialism. The statement was signed by Nhlamulo Ndlela. What's your take on this one, people? Thanks for watching. Please subscribe for more news.